Here's a good question. Interesting question. Neil, you do heaps of Amazon PPC. This is true. What are the best days on Amazon for PPC sales? What are the best days on Amazon for PPC sales? All right, so let's have a look. Before I tell you, what do you reckon? What would you guess is the best days on Amazon for PPC sales? Now, if you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, while you're figuring that out, let me show you what PPC is. So here we are on Amazon.com. I've just done a search, psyllium husk, and all of these here, look, where it says sponsored in teeny tiny little writing, they're all Amazon PPC, meaning they are bidding to be here on this particular position, and if I click on one of them, they will then pay for that, hence the term pay per click. But there are 7 days in a week, and so which day of the week tends to give the best results from Amazon PPC? All right, let's see what you guys come up with. The weekend, Friday to Sunday, Friday and Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the weekends. But might depend on the product. All right, so what I've done for you is this. So here's a handy little guide for you. Actually, do you want to see that? I'm going to give you that. So this is in the training again, but I'm going to give you that you send to all. There you go. And let's just make sure you can go and see this, because I just thought it'd be kind of cool just to give it to you, share. All right, there you go. So now you've got that, okay, so you can play along. So here's what I have found. Sunday is a high traffic day, meaning lots and lots of people searching, window shopping on Amazon. Interesting, window shopping, because there are below average conversions, hence that idea of them window shopping, okay? So high search, lower conversions. It's actually the worst day in terms of the expected campaign efficiency. It's the worst day. Monday is the best day overall. It's the highest weekly traffic and the highest conversion rate. So it's got a 2 for deal, okay? So Monday's your very, very best day across the board. Tuesday, second best day. Above average traffic, above average conversion rate. Thursday, below average traffic. Wednesday, above average traffic. Friday is the lowest traffic at all, but the traffic that is searching is pretty good traffic, converts very, very well. Saturday, low traffic, low conversion rates, lower volume of traffic as well. It's the worst in terms of efficiency of all of them, okay? Which is interesting, don't you think? So there's that. And then, as far as, this is a little bit more geeky, okay? So on Amazon with PPC, you can run on different days, but you can also do what's called day parting as well, where you advertise at specific times of the day. And I wholeheartedly recommend you doing that, because based on all of our, little bit there, day parting data, conversion rate, so the number of people what search versus buy, is typically highest in the morning. It tapers off until, again, like mid-morning, and then you get a brief midday lunchtime spike, and then it tapers off into the evening, and then later in the evening and overnight conversion rates tend to be the lowest. So from an advertising perspective, if you've got a limited amount of money to advertise, what I would do is I would be running your ads every day, sure, but favoring that morning traffic and favoring with a higher conversion, like amount that you're prepared to spend to get a click on a Monday. If I was doing it, that's what I would do. Kind of interesting, don't you reckon? Does this apply to all platforms? I don't know. I just did Amazon. Oh, I noticed Monday, Tuesday were best while selling the goggles. That is interesting. Yeah, this is all. I mean, it cannot be consistent across every single thing, but this is a shitload of products and a shitload of traffic that's provided this data. So, yeah, hope that helps. All right, how are we going for time? We're going good. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.